Next door here, and we're seeing a few things that catches our eye. When do you think this roof was replaced, Rich?
That roof probably 8 years old.
About 8 years ago. What are we already seeing 8 years into this replacement?
So we're seeing where we don't have positive pitch, where we have some dark spots further along on the right, further down. You can tell there's actually water sitting on the roof as there is up closer on the right. And the whole idea of the whole tapered system is to keep the water off of the roof because it does shorten the life. And we go back to the algae and stuff. As you see the growth on the roof, it helps shorten the life of the roof, which is not what we want.
So what could they have done differently to prevent that?
Well, they could have gone and used a tapered system like this and really get that water off and running. You can tell at the far end they do have a bridge to it. That's quite enough for what the roof system needed. That's why we go up a full 2.5 inches to make sure that water is positively draining.
All right, also looking at the home next door to us, we can see they still have these metal vents out there, but we're not going to have this on that roof. Can you tell me the difference and why?
Well, though the gooseneck will still move substantial amounts of air, it has the ability to be hit. We talked about the wind. We don't want anything the wind can grab. So if you see the first house, it has the goosenecks. The house after that has the goosenecks. And further down, the third house, the light beige one, it actually has a ridge vent on it, which we're going to be using on this roof, which is another GAF product, which is part of the warranty of the lifetime warranty. So unfortunately for that, if that metal gets hit, it's not part of the roof system.
So as a homeowner, you definitely rather have ridge ventilation than any exposed metal that could be damaged in a storm.
Correct.
Thank you for watching. You can subscribe here to get our latest videos, and be sure to check out more of the best clips from Paradise Exteriors here. Thank you. Have a paradise day.